Handy tips for a smooth and successful WordPress migration. In this in-depth guide, we walk you through some handy tips for a smooth and successful WordPress migration. Pre-migration preparation. Before diving headlong into the migration process, there are some preliminary steps that are crucial to a successful migration. 1. Conduct thorough research. The first step to any successful WordPress migration is understanding the process itself. 2. Backup before migration. With a complete backup, if anything goes wrong during the migration, you have a safety net that can restore your site to its original state within minutes. 3. Evaluate web hosting environment. Additionally, take into consideration the compatibility between the old and new hosting environments. 4. Update WordPress, themes, and plugins. Wrapping up these pre-migration steps leaves your WordPress site in a healthy state, ready for a smooth transition. Migration process tips. Having laid the groundwork for a smooth WordPress migration in the preparation stage, now it's time to tackle the migration process itself. 1. Choose the right migration tool or plugin. Compatibility with your specific WordPress version and plugins. 2. Migrate files and databases separately. By separating these two crucial components, you can better manage, troubleshoot, and verify that every part of your site has been accurately transferred. 3. Use a staging or development site. To create a staging site, use plugins such as WP Staging or Duplicator. 4. Use temporary URLs. This enables you to preview your site on the new server, confirm it's working optimally, and catch any potential issues before switching your live site over. Post-migration measures. The post-migration period is filled with vital follow-ups to ensure the stability and integrity of your newly migrated WordPress website. 1. Perform extensive testing. Content. Examine headers, body text, and footers to ensure no information was lost or distorted during the migration. 2. Update permalinks and check for broken links. You can also use tools and plugins, such as Broken Link Checker or Screaming Frog SEO Spider, to identify and fix broken links. 3. Monitor website performance. Keep an eye on load times, site downtime, and traffic patterns to identify and address potential performance issues.